नमस्ते। आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं ब्रेस्ट कैंसर एंड रेमेडीज इन योगा टू रिजॉल्व इट। मैं आपको आज ऐसे एक्सरसाइजेस बताने जा रही हूँ जिसको अगर आप डेली प्रैक्टिस करें तो ब्रेस्ट कैंसर जैसी भयानक बीमारियों से आप निजात पा सकते हैं। Some wonderful, easy to do you can include in your daily life routine for prevention of breast cancer. Let's get started. First, with inhalation, sit calm, join your hands in front of you. Remember, the angle should be 90 degrees between your elbow and forearm. Shoulders straight. With inhalation, just open up your arms, make a trishul with your body. Shoulders straight parallel to the ground, hands and arms straight. Just look front and hold your breath, or you can do normal breathing if you are a hypertension patient. With exhalation, slowly claps your hands slowly in Namaskar. Let me show you again. With inhalation, take a deep breath, open your palms. With exhalation, with a smile on your face, slowly make your hands together and relax. Exercise number 2. With inhalation, raise up your right hand above your head, bend from your elbow. With left hand, hold your right hand and just stretch. Your spine should be straight, head should be straight, look front. Don't bend your neck, just stretch. Your armpit should get stretched. There are various lymph nodes which excrete all the excess lymphs from your breast region. Okay, so stretch it, give a nice stretch. With exhalation, slowly take your hand to the normal position. This should be repeated on both the sides. Again, with inhalation, take up your left hand, make straight hand and then bend slightly. With exhalation, hold with your right hand, clasp it together and head neck straight, look straight and just stretch. Feel a gentle stretch on your arms, armpit, your this upper back region. Okay. Now with inhalation, take your hand and with exhalation, normal position. Exercise number 3. This is also gonna intermediate practice. How? Just join your hands together. Now clasp your hands like this. Seated Garudasana. With inhalation, take it up as much as you can, head neck straight. With exhalation, come down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Like this you have to do 10 times. Then again join your hands. Just join like this and do up, down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. You will feel a good stretch in your upper shoulders, your shoulder blade also. This is very good for draining all the lymphatic fluids around your thoracic cavity. Now, the exercise that we are going to do is bench press. This exercise I'm going to demonstrate with bench, or you can use your bed or any solid wooden body or wall. Hold your bench or any solid body which won't slide. Okay, slide नहीं होना चाहिए आपके फ्लोर पे, otherwise there may be risk of injury. Now maintain the posture, maintain a straight line with your body. Against, inhale deeply, feet you can tuck in or you can keep it flat on ground. Inhale deeply. With exhalation, do this. With inhalation, take a deep breath and with exhalation, just press against it. Okay. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Do this at least 10 to 20 times. As you know, oxygen is so important to us. In prevention of cancer also, and along with treatment of cancer also, breathing exercises might be very beneficial tool for you. If you are suffering from any type of malignancy or you are at a risk of malignancy, you can use breathing exercises along with asanas and various other exercises to boost your immunity and also destroy the cancer cells. The prerequisite for breathing exercises is centering yourself. Clasp your both hands, place it on your lap. Gently close your eyes. Just observe your breath for a few seconds. Inhale deeply and exhale. Allow the oxygens to reach to each and every part of your cell. With this conditioning, this gives our brain a signal that get ready for getting more and more oxygen. Good cells are oxygen lovers and bad cells, which you also call cancer cells, are not like oxygen. So, दोस्तों, अभी हम जो भी practices करेंगे उसको breathing के साथ integrate करके करेंगे. Next, we are going to do your shoulder rotations or arm circles. For this, take your hands deep and place it gently over your shoulders. अपने joint पे रख लेंगे ऐसा circle बना के. With inhalation, just bring your elbows forward, take it upward. Deeply inhale. Now, when you are about to roll your shoulders backward, just exhale slowly as much as you can. Slowly again when coming front. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Again inhale. Exhale. Make good nice circle with your shoulder. This not only squeezes your shoulder blades but also allows your chest area, thoracic region to expand and contract, and this will be excellent for lymphatic drainage. तो दोस्तों, क्या आप ये सारे एक्सरसाइज करेंगे? और let us know in comment section which one is your favorite. Happy learning!